DJ gear is evolving fast, and choosing the right controller in 2026 can completely change how you mix, perform, and enjoy music. That's exactly why this video matters. On Tech Fact, we break down tech that actually makes sense, and today we're diving into the top 5 best DJ controllers in 2026 that deliver real performance, smart features, and great value. Whether you're just starting your DJ journey or looking to upgrade your setup, this list is built to help you choose with confidence. Each controller here is popular, reliable, and designed to level up your skills. If tech and music gear reviews help you make better decisions, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below with the controller you choose. Let's get straight into the mix and see which DJ controller deserves your attention this year. Number 5. Numark Mixtrack Platinum. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum stands out with features you don't normally expect in its price range, and it really feels like a step up from basic beginner gear. The large jog wheels are a highlight because they give you impressive tactile control, perfect for learning precise beat matching and creative transitions. What's really cool is the built-in jog displays. They show BPM and track info right on the controller, so you're not constantly staring at your laptop screen. Performance pads are plentiful and responsive, letting you launch hot cues, loops and effects that bring your sets to life. Mixtrack Platinum works with Serato DJ Lite right away, so you can focus on mixing instead of setup. The mixer section feels solid and intuitive, which really helps when you're starting to build your DJing instincts. Whether you're practicing at home or playing for friends, this controller balances fun and performance in a way that feels modern and inspiring. Number 4. Hercules DJControl Inpulse 200 MK2. The Hercules DJControl Inpulse 200 MK2 is one of those controllers that feels like a friendly coach guiding you through the basics of DJing. It's compact and approachable, so you're not intimidated the first time you power it up. The jog wheels are just the right size for learning beat matching and transitions, and the built-in tools help you find your rhythm and adjust your mix with confidence. What's special here is how the controller encourages you to learn. It's not just hardware, it feels like a partner that lets you experiment without stress. The performance pads give you simple access to cues and hot functions, which is perfect for beginners or anyone wanting to explore creative mixing without getting lost in complicated features. It pairs smoothly with Serato DJ Lite software, so software setup won't hold you back. If you're just starting and want something friendly, reliable, and fun that will teach you by doing, the Inpulse 202 Malawian Kwaches is one of the most satisfying entry-level controllers you can choose. Number 3. Numark Mix 2. The Numark Mix 2 is a standout option for new DJs who want a straightforward, capable controller without extra complications. It brings classic 2-deck control with a focus on intuitive play. The jog wheels are tactile and responsive, giving you real control when blending tracks and adjusting beats. What makes Mix 2 fun is how easy it feels to connect and go, plug into your laptop, load up Serato DJ Lite, and you're ready to mix within minutes. Performance pads let you set hot cues and trigger effects, which is great for adding personality to your sets. The mixer section has all the essentials, gain, EQ, and crossfader, laid out in a way that just makes sense when you're learning your workflow. Whether you're practicing at home, spinning at a small house party, or building content for socials, the Mix 2 keeps things simple without feeling limited. It's a solid DJ controller that gives you core tools you need to have fun and improve your skills fast. Number 2. Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX2. Stepping into the world of DJing with the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX2 feels surprisingly powerful for its price. This controller is clearly designed for anyone who's serious about learning but doesn't want to get overwhelmed. Its jog wheels, though not built for heavy scratching, are perfect for accurate track placement and smooth mixing. What's cool about the FLX2 is how well it works with major software like Rekordbox, Serato DJ Lite, and Algorithm DJ, meaning you're not stuck with one way of working. The layout puts everything you need right where you expect it, and the buttons and knobs feel solid under your fingers, nothing flimsy or confusing. While it doesn't have advanced professional outputs or a mic input, this simplicity actually makes it easier to focus on the fun part of DJing, creating smooth mixes, exploring effects, and building your confidence. For its price point, the FLX2 punches well above its weight, giving newcomers a real chance to grow and learn. Number 1. Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 feels like the perfect bridge between beginner and serious DJing. From the moment you unbox it, the layout gives you that pro-level vibe with jog wheels that are smooth and responsive, and performance pads you'll love triggering for hot cues, loops and samples. Its compatibility with both Rekordbox and Serato DJ Lite makes it super flexible. You can plug into your laptop or tablet and start mixing instantly. The smart fader and other smart features take a lot of guesswork out of blends and transitions, which is ideal if you're building confidence on the decks. The fact that it connects easily via USB-C and even lets you stream music from compatible sources without complicated setup brings a modern feel to your workflow. It's lightweight yet solid, so you can gig with it or practice at home without fuss. For DJs who want something reliable, fun and capable right out of the box, the FLX4 really delivers a full, intuitive experience. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best DJ controllers in 2026, and each one brings something unique to the table depending on your style and experience. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Tech Fact, and comment below with your favorite pick or the controller you're currently using. All the featured products are available in the description for easy access. We regularly share honest, easy-to-understand tech reviews to help you choose smarter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Tech Fact video with more exciting tech insights.